Hi everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the belly penguin and tell her a story. Sharp Painting. Once upon a time, there was a land in South Pole where all penguins lived together. Penguins catch and eat fish from the sea. They were sliding on the ice and playing together, and they were very happy. Ella was also a cute little penguin. She lived there with his parents. But Ella was tired of seeing snow, the sun from sleeping on ice. Ella didn't want to eat fish anymore. She wanted to try new things, but everywhere she looked, she saw only snow, ice, and fish. Until one day a ship came to their land. All the penguins were scared to see the ship, and they decided to move away from there. But Ella wanted to see people and asked them if the place they came from is full of snow and ice. Do they always eat fish? Ella's parents said, "My dear girl, people are very dangerous. They may take you with them. But we are made to live in the pole, and we can't live in other places." But Ella secretly separated from her parents and went to the ship. He saw a little boy. The little boy smiled at Ella. Ella also smiled at him. And they became friends and played together. It was noon, and it was time for the little boy to return the ship. Had to leave for his country. Ella wanted to see the place where the little boy lives, but she missed her parents and friends. But she decided and said, "I will go see the world and come back again." Ella boarded the ship with the little boy and moved. When they arrived, Ella saw the streets, trees, and cars. No more snow and ice. Ella was very excited to see there. The boy took Ella home with him. The boy gave Ella an ice cream. Ella said it was very delicious. It is tastier than fish. The next day, the boy went to school. Ella stayed at home alone. She was bored and went to the yard. Some children were playing in the yard. When they saw Ella, they started harassing her. Ella returned home. Ella did not know that not all people are kind like the little boy. Days passed. Ella and the boy played together and ate delicious food. Until one day they wanted to eat fish for dinner. When Ella saw the fish, she remembered her parents, who must have been worried about her. Ella had seen many new things and eaten new foods, and wanted to return to her homeland. When the little boy and his parents saw that Ella was upset, knew that she should go back to her house. Ella and the little boy said goodbye and smiled at each other. And Ella returned home and told everything to her parents. Today our story is over. Do you you like adventure like Ella? Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss beautiful painting and stories. So today's painting is finished. Until the next painting and story, bye bye.